Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Time Series Analysis with AI, Forecasting the Future, Predicting Stock Prices. Imagine a line graph showing daily temperatures. That's a time series. It's data points ordered by time. Stock prices are also time series. The price changes over time. In code, we might represent this with a list of date, price, pairs. Predicting stock prices isn't about getting rich quick. It's very difficult, but it's a great example to learn time series analysis. Understanding how to predict trends in data is useful in many fields. From weather forecasting to sales prediction, we can use it to make more informed decisions. Instead of manually trying to find patterns in a stock chart, we'll use AI, artificial intelligence. Algorithms think of AI as a super smart pattern finder. It learns from past stock prices to predict future ones. It's like teaching a computer to be a financial analyst. Before we give data to the AI, we need to prepare it. This means cleaning up missing data, handling outliers, unusual data points, and converting the data into a format the AI understands, e.g., a numerical array. This is the crucial data wrangling step, like organizing your ingredients before baking a cake. We train the AI model by feeding it the prepared stock price data. This is like showing a child many examples of apples and oranges to teach them the difference. The AI learns the patterns and relationships in the data. We'll be using a popular AI model designed for time series forecasting. Once trained, we can ask the AI to predict future stock prices. It will use the patterns it learned to make educated guesses. These predictions won't be perfect, but they'll be better than random guessing. We need to check how accurate our AI's predictions are. We'll use specific metrics to measure the difference between the AI's predictions and the actual stock prices. This helps us refine the AI model to make better predictions. It's like grading a test to see how well the student learned. The techniques we learned aren't limited to stock prices. We can apply time series analysis to many other problems like predicting website traffic, sales, energy consumption, or even weather patterns. The principles remain the same. Use AI to find patterns in data and make predictions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.